Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you auto clicker for iPhone. Okay, so today we're setting up an auto clicker using a custom iOS shortcut in the switch control system. This approach uses a sound that plays periodically, prompting switch control to tap the screen. Let's set up switch control, navigate to settings, then accessibility, then switch control. Under switches, select add new switch, choose sound, and then select the clock sound. Set its default action to tap. Next, go back to recipes and then select create new recipe. I'll call this one auto clicker. Assign this recipe to the switch you created earlier and then select the custom gesture action. Tap where you want the automatic taps to occur. I will choose the center, but you can pick any area. After tapping, hit save, go back, select launch recipe and choose the recipe you just created. Now let's install the custom shortcut. Then the shortcut, quickly switch to the app where you want your automatic taps. Switch control will start sending taps as soon as the sound plays. In this example, you can see it tapping a regular app. It also works any other game where you need repetitive taps. Navigating apps or games can be challenging when switch control is active, so use the side volume buttons to stop the shortcut or triple click the power button to turn off switch control. Background noise or game sounds may affect the sound detection. It's best to mute sound effects and music. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any question, doubt or suggestion, please leave it in the comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.